y'all, it's Tammy with Southern Angel Stamping. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to subscribe and click that bell for more notifications. Please give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube and I both know that you like it. Also, please remember to share. Leave me a comment down below. I sure would appreciate it. So now let's get into this video. Hey y'all, look what I have. So I got this in the mail the other day and I couldn't wait to show y'all. It's the new Stampin' Up! Catalog. Yes, I am so excited. So I can't show you the inside of it yet, but keep watching, stay tuned, and if you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe and click that notification bell so that you'll know when I get to show you the inside. Now, I will tell you, us demonstrators, we did get to go ahead and order some products from the catalog. We didn't get to order, just anything from it. We had a certain list that we got to order from. So my order's in, and so make sure you have subscribe to me, and pretty soon you'll get to see my unboxing for the new catalog. There's also going to be some stuff from the old catalog, some stuff that's they're not going to be having in the new catalog, so I'm going to be sharing that with you as well, that I also got. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you, and I am so excited. I cannot wait to share this, and I'll be doing a flip through just as soon as I can. When is the date? Oh, I have to see. I'll post it up here. So have a blessed day.